Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template using video and text alone. So let's begin. First of all, what you have to do is open up a blank slide and go to stock images. And from here, what you're going to do is go to this videos option right here. And from here, you're going to choose one of the images. If you are on a PowerPoint subscription, then you can get more amazing videos. And next, you're gonna insert a rectangle and change its color to black. And insert a rounded corner rectangle and make it fully rounded and put it into the center. And next, what you're gonna do is, first of all, select this rectangle and then this one. And then subtract it from merge options and then go to format shape and fill option and let's increase its transparency. And for the outline, I'm gonna use two 1 by 2 PT. Let's increase the size because I don't want the outlines to show inside. And then go to icons and from here search for the search icon. And insert that icon, put it right here. And go to graphics fill and change its color to white. Next, insert a text box in which you're gonna enter your text. So right now what I'm gonna use is a traditional farm, not wheat farm, because here you go. The next thing you're gonna do is increase its size and change its color to white. And here you go. Now let's insert our content text and change its color to white. And let's align it into the middle. And let's increase its size a bit. And so this is a slideshow, and by the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. And that was all for today in this video, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon, and don't forget to check out my channel for more amazing videos and content like this.